Hello guys, Global Studio here today for your AutoCAD tips and tricks. In this video we will learn how to calculate the volume of these four objects. Guys, once you learn this trick properly, then you can able to do the volume calculation for any shapes. Without any delay, let's start this video. First we will start with the triangle. As you can see, the height of this triangle is 10 mm. To calculate the volume of this triangle, go to utilities, take the measure option and just click the volume. There is 4 options available for you: object, add volume, subtract volume and exit. No need to click any of this. Just click the points of this triangle and then enter. As you can see, now it is asking the height. Any direction is okay. Just give the 10 mm and click enter. As you can see, we calculated the volume of this triangle. It is 1125 mm cube. Remember that, mm cube. How much? 1125 mm cube. Now we will calculate the volume for this rectangle. Just go to utilities and volume. Now select this object. You can select the corner also, but easiest method is selecting the object. Just click to this object and now it is asking the height. How much height we provided? 20 mm. 20 mm. As you can see, the volume of this rectangle is 2000 mm cube. Write it here. (2000 mm cube). Then the same way we will measure the volume for this circle also. Go to utilities, go to measure and select the volume and select the object. You cannot select the corners now. Now we have to select the object. It will automatically identify the circle and now we will provide the height 15 mm. As you can see, now we calculate the volume as 1696.46 mm cube. 1696.46 mm cube. Now we will calculate the area for this shape also. We can try with the same method like this. Take the volume and select the object option now. As you can see, this option is not working. So we will go with the second option, add volume. As you can see, the corner option will not work. So what method we can follow? There is a trick to calculate this area, guys. It's a hatch method. Take the hatch option from this draw tab like this. Then take the solid option and click to this shape. Fill the shape like this and then close the hatch creation. Now we will go to volume. Take the volume option again. Now select the object and select this hatch. Now it is asking the height for you. Give the value 25 mm. As you can see, we calculated the volume 3822.02. We will round up this value as 3822. 3822 mm cube. Now I will show you the volume of this circle using the hatch method, so that you will come to know this method works fine. Go to hatch method and select this circle, then close the hatch creation. Go to utilities, measure and volume, then select the object and click to this hatch and provide the height 15. As you can see, both method gives the same value 1696.46 in hatch method and Using the object method it is 1696.46. Both the values are same, so no need to worry. Using this method you can calculate the area of any shape. Guys, that's all for this video. If you guys learned this trick properly, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also share with your friends, colleagues. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I will meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.